Doesn't matter if you're a brand owner, an agency owner, or just a creator. If you're still making UGC ads manually in 2026, you're burning way too much time and money because the biggest brands and creators are cranking out AI UGC ads, doing way less work, in way less time, and pulling in serious cash. The first thing you need before making any UGC ad is a consistent character. And this is exactly where most people mess up. They generate one AI image of the character, then try to use that single image to build the whole ad. And obviously, the result doesn't come out right. To build a truly consistent character, head over to Higgsfield's image creation tool and use Nano Banana Pro. Inside it, paste this prompt right here. In this prompt, you'll fill in your character's identity, appearance, environment, camera angle, and realism, all based on your brand. Hit generate, and you'll get something like this. Now, this character already looks pretty real, but to actually keep it consistent, you need to do two more things. First, generate close-up shots. Second, generate different camera angles. For the close-ups, just use the same image as a reference, then drop in this master prompt I built for you, and you'll get close-up shots of your character from every angle. We didn't generate anything new here. We just pulled clean close-up shots of the same face. After that, use that result as a reference image and feed it this next prompt. Now you've got full body shots of your character from different angles. And here's a secret most beginners completely miss. Instead of keeping all your reference images scattered everywhere, put them all together in one single place. That becomes your character board. So in the future, anytime you want to generate a new ad, you don't need to upload a bunch of separate angles and images. You just drop in this character board as your reference, and you're done. Now you've got a realistic, consistent character. But even with that, you still can't make a winning ad because you don't actually know how UGC ads are structured. To make a winning UGC ad, you only need to focus on three elements. First, the hook. The first 3 seconds of the video. The hook is basically you saying or doing something that makes the viewer stop scrolling. It can be a strong emotion, an unexpected statement, or a relatable problem. Anything that snaps attention. Second, emotion. Your character's expressions and body language need to actually feel like they're talking to the audience, like a real human moment. Ads with a flat face and no body language get skipped in seconds. Third, the CTA, the call to action. UGC ads without a CTA just don't work. At the end of the video, clearly tell the viewer what to do next and why they should do it. And honestly, multiple CTAs are one of the biggest reasons UGC ads flop. Stick to one clean, simple CTA. The first format we're building is the talking head review ad. In this format, your character just sits in front of the camera and gives a review of the product. And that builds instant trust with the viewer. The AI tool I'll be using is higgsfield. Link is in the description. Head into the Create Video section, upload your character board as a reference image, and also upload a reference image of the product. Then drop in this prompt. It's got the environment, the product, and the character details all packed into one. Now pay attention to this one thing. In the environment section of the prompt, I intentionally wrote phrases like slightly messy and not too polished, because if the setting looks too perfect, the ad instantly feels fake. The whole power of real UGC is in that authenticity. Let's hit generate.
Okay, so I was literally the girl who thought protein powder was only for bodybuilders. And then I tried Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard and everything changed. My recovery got so much faster, I stopped feeling sore the next day, and I actually started seeing definition within the first 2 weeks. If you're serious about your fitness and you actually want results, the link is in my bio. Grab it, thank me later.
This is actually really good. The character is consistent, and look at the background. There's a gym bag, a protein shaker on the side, a few random things scattered on the counter, even a microwave in the back. We intentionally mentioned all of that in the prompt, and Higgsfield picked up on every single detail and built a setting that genuinely looks like a real kitchen. The only thing was, the product in the character's hand looked a little different from the reference image. So I ran it one more time, and what came out was even more authentic.
Okay, so I was literally the girl who thought protein powder was only for bodybuilders, and I tried Optimum Nutrition and everything changed. My recovery got stopped feeling deafened within the first 2 weeks. If you're serious about your fitness and you actually want results, the link is in my bio.
This result is way better. The character's body language feels natural. The actual product is clearly visible. The Nike t-shirt is there, gloves on the counter, protein shaker in frame, and the kitchen behind looks like a real lived-in kitchen. There's even a slight camera shake, like it was filmed on a regular phone instead of a professional rig. Not too fancy, not too plain. If somebody sent you this video, you genuinely think a real influencer made it. And honestly, that's the whole point. But there's one issue with this format. The viewer can see the product, but they can't really feel it. The excitement of a brand new product, the unboxing moment, all of that is missing here. And for some audiences, that excitement is literally what triggers the buying decision. And that's exactly the emotion the second format triggers: unboxing POV. In this format, the character isn't looking into the camera. Instead, you shoot the unboxing from the character's own perspective. And it's powerful, because the viewer literally feels like they're in that moment. For this format, we're making a Gymshark ad. Let's hop into Higgsfield and feed it this prompt. Now, in this prompt, I did one specific thing most people completely miss: product consistency. The product being unboxed needs to be the same exact color, size, and design that the character is also wearing. Because if you unbox a green outfit and the character ends up wearing something different in the final shot, the ad instantly feels fake. So here's what I did. I picked Gymshark's mocha brown set, mentioned that color clearly in the prompt, and added a final mirror selfie shot where the character is wearing the same outfit. And for this entire video, I attached the character board plus a real reference of the Gymshark packaging. So Higgsfield knew exactly what to build.
I'm so excited to wear these today.
The hands look completely natural. The unboxing looks proper, like somebody's actually opening a poly bag. And the outfit color matches in both shots. Same in the unboxing, same in the mirror. A believable unboxing ad, fully built by AI. Now, the unboxing format only works when the audience is curious about the product, when they want to know what it looks like, what it feels like. But not every product gets people that curious. And that's where the third format comes in: B-roll lifestyle. In this format, you show small glimpses of the creator's life where the product is just being used naturally. The viewer doesn't even realize it's an ad. It just looks like the product showing up in someone's real day-to-day life. For this one, we picked the Lululemon Everywhere belt bag, because in the fitness community, this thing is a cult product. I'll head back to the Create Video tab, select the bag's reference image, and drop in this prompt. I packed in really specific details: early morning light, messy ponytail, a light layer of sweat. All the small things that make the ad feel authentic. Let's hit generate. So with B-roll, even when the character isn't saying anything, you can still get conversions, because the viewer is imagining themselves in that lifestyle. This format is perfect for the aspirational audience. But there's another type of audience out there: people who don't get convinced by lifestyle alone. They need to see the product actually solving a real problem. And that's where our most powerful format comes in: the transformation. This format directly triggers emotion. The viewer relates to the problem first, then gets sold by the solution, and ends up buying the product. For this one, we're using the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, because it's a hugely viral product right now. And in the prompt, I added a couple of things on purpose. First, a headband, because that one little headband instantly tells the viewer the character is doing her skincare routine. Second, I clearly mentioned that the before shot needs a frustrated expression and the after shot needs a confident smile. Because if the expression is the same in both shots, the transformation has zero impact. Strong emotion is the actual fuel of this format. Look at this.
Okay, my skin has been so dry and dull lately. I have tried literally everything and nothing is working. Okay, so I found this and my skin has completely changed in 2 weeks. I am never switching. The link is in my bio.
Both shots came out exactly right. In the first one, the character is in the bathroom. No makeup, headband on, white tank top, tired look on her face. Exactly what we wanted. And in the second shot, same character, standing in front of the mirror, holding the product confidently, talking about it. Skincare bottles on the shelves behind her. All those little details are giving the shot that real, lived-in feel. So that was our fourth and final format. If you build out UGC ads in these 4 formats, you can run a successful campaign easily. But to actually make the campaign profitable, you need one more thing: copy the winner ads. The old problem with UGC ads was that you had to hire influencers, and they'd charge so much per ad that running experiments was a financial gamble. AI UGC completely solves that. You're not paying every time you want to make a new ad, so copy as many winning ads as possible. Copy the format, copy the script, and rebuild it with your own AI influencer. You can even create multiple AI influencers and run multiple formats simultaneously. The real payoff only kicks in when you start playing the volume game. While your competitors are still out there trying to find real influencers and burning money, you've already generated a stack of ads, launched them, and run a full campaign. And honestly, that's the whole game. If this video helped you out, like it and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.